happiest birthday to our dearest Pink! May you have more and more and more and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Bunso! Pinkay, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Mwah, love you.
Happy birthday, Pinkay. Enjoy your day.
Hello! Happy birthday, Pinkay. Wish ko lang sana maging successful ang buhay mo. More happiness and more healthy years ahead. Birthday!
Happy birthday, Pinkay! More birthdays to come. Love, love, nanay. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you, Pinkay.
Pinkay, happy birthday. Wishing you your heart's desires. Wish you all the happiness. Ingatan ng kalusugan and we have many blessings to come. God bless.
Ayun! Hello sa lahat na nandito. Ayan, February. So, madami. Anyways, andito ako. I-advance ko na. Kasi, alam nyo naman dito, ang aking kalayaan ay limitado. Ayun, amiga ko, ang aking pinakamamahal na amiga. Happy birthday, amiga ko. Unang-una kong sasabihin sa'yo is, thank you. Salamat. Dahil hindi mo ko iniwanan din. Oo, yung tiyaga mo walang kapaguran. At saka, alam ko naman na love mo ako. I-love kita. Alam nyo yan. Lahat kayo, love na love ko kayo. Happy birthday, amiga ko. Thank you so much sa friendship ng taon na. Ayan. Pilipinas naman kung sakali na promise ko yan. At ayan, naway lagi kayong masaya nita. Ayun. Congratulations both of you. Mwah! Love ko kayong dalawa. At sa lahat ng TRF 14606, ayan, love na love ko kayo. Ayun, happy birthday once again, amiga. Thank you so much. God bless you more, especially sa health mo din. Ayun, and more blessings to come. Okay, no flow. Ayun, thank you so much. Thank you. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Nak, happy birthday! Pinkay! Ayan, ito ang yung daddy. Of course, wishing you all the best. At sana you minimize your pagkatoyo. Mistake mo pa daw ang mami mo. Pero dapat masaya lang na don't stress yourself, kasi itong buhay natin alam mo naman, it's temporary, but you just have to enjoy and give the best you can. Sana lagi tayong magka-bonding. Alam mo naman, kahit anong mangyari, nandito ka pa rin sa puso namin, lalo ng mami mo, ha? Basta take care and don't worry about your relationship. Darating at darating yan, ha? Okay? Nak, enjoy your day and basta, dito lang kami. Take care. Always. I love you. Bye-bye, Nak.
Hey, Pinkay. Happy, 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 happy birthday sa'yo. Hindi. Nasabi na naman nila lahat, pero the only thing that I would say is hindi man ako mahigpit as a kaibigan. Talagang chillax lang kasi talaga ako. Pero huwag pasaway, Pinkay, kasi you're not getting any younger. You should get wiser na lang. Ganun na lang talaga. So, ayun. Background si 18 maingay. At nagpagpag. So, seriously, I hope take care of yourself, your health. Because it's the only thing that we got. We have to treasure it because there's only one life. I know you've lived it to the fullest because you've reached a lot in your own way. And you've also gone places, so I hope you continue more and more and more and more of those things and be happy and always be in love. Or at least love. And then everything will all go well. Happy birthday, Pinkay.
Hello there, baby ko. Happy birthday! Muntik nang hindi magawa ang video dahil sobrang busy kahapon at ngayon. Anyway, I just want to wish you a great birthday today. I hope mag-enjoy ka at bawasan daw ng konti ang pagiging toyoin. Pebrero 1 ka talaga. Nasapawan mo ako sa pagiging toyoin. I love you, baby ko. Happy birthday. Enjoy lang lagi ang buhay. Huwag masyadong paki-stress. And if may time magpahinga. Huwag abusuhin ng katawan dahil yan ang ating puhunan. Ayan, yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo. If you have time to rest, please do so. Kasi andyan lang naman yung trabaho. Nag-aantay. Yan na nga. Although hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan, pero huwag mo din pabayaan yung kalusugan. So, reminder lang sa'yo na wag lang laging trabaho. Pahinga din. At alam mo palagi, nandito lang kami lagi, TRL, ang core team, Royalistas, although medyo nagpahinga ka ng konti, andyan lang kami. Andyan ka pa rin naman sa TRL. Mahal ka namin. I love you, toyoin kong baby ko. Happy birthday! Mwah, mwah, mwah.